Hi, it's Janelle from Project School Wellness, and I just wanted to take a minute to show you how you can access our Boom Learning card decks to use with your students when you are teaching them health. So if you open up a teaching guide and you see that in our teaching materials there is a Boom Cards activity and you want to play with your students, you're going to need to set that up in your account first before you're able to share it with students. You can't just share this link with students. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link and it's going to take you to the boomlearning.com, and you will need to set up an account. After you have signed in and everything, you will be able to add the activity to cart. So you're just going to add it to your cart, then you're going to check out, and it's free, so you just check out, 0 points. Alright, you've purchased it, now you can access it in your library. So now if you want to play it, or if you want to have students play it, you have a few options. So if you're using Boom Cards in your classroom and it's connected and linked to your Google Classroom and all of your students are set up, you can assign it to their class, or you can give students this Hyperplay link. And this Hyperplay link would stay active for a while, but it would require students to sign in. Now, if you want to use this as an activity and you don't need to collect data from students and you don't want students to have to worry about signing in, what you can do is use a fast pin. So a fast pin is going to be a link, like this link right here, you can just give to students. So you can copy and paste this into your e-learning classroom platform, or you can give students this code and they'll be able to access this game and play it without having to sign in. But you just need to note that this pin is only valid for a certain amount of days. And so after the 7 days are up, this link would no longer work, so you would need to go back in and create another fast play link. So those are your options for using that, for having your students play. If you want to collect data, you can assign it if you have classes set up, or with the Hyperplay link, if you have students all set up with their accounts. If you want to just use it for a quick activity and you don't want students to have to log in, then you would use the fast pin. Alright, so after you have added it to your library and you've decided what to do, you're ready to go and your students are ready to do the activity. So if you have any comments or questions or whatever, just want to connect, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact me at projectschoolwellness.com/contact. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon.